For England and Senegal, how do you think for this game? Because it's friendly game, and then
definitely it's going to be a good game. You know, two big team gonna have big games, good games to play. You know, we know Koulibaly, we know Mendy, we have big players, and you know, we know it's going to be not easy game, tough game, but we're going to do everything to win that game.
Yeah, you know, it's a 21 games for England for African countries. He never lose any game from African. He won 15 and then he draw 60. Do you think Senegal today is going to win for first time?
Of course, you know, always Senegal going to make a history. If you see at the World Cup 2002, people used to
yeah, especially you. Especially you that time.
I think so Senegal is always here to make a history, being good. And I think so it's going to be like tough game, but we can do it.
All right. Bari birori. Ariko abantu bafite ibiti ikanganye bagize ubwoba nyine barimo kwaka fireworks, umuriro, imyotsi. Mbibutsa ko abafana ba Senegal babicaje hariya hejuru mu nguni muri kwabona nta nubwo huzuye aho bicaye aho babageneye, ariko birumvikana yuko benshi nabashegura nabo kuri uyu munsi baje baturutse mu gihugu cy'Ubufaransa no mu Bubiligi. Bamwe twabashe kuganira bambwiye ko ari benshi baje baturutse n'abantu bahora inyuma yabo ikipe yabo. Benshi rero bakaba bavuga ko kuri uyu munsi bamwe batari bashe kubona Sadio Mane wanakinye mu kipe ya Liverpool, ubu ngubu ukina mu Saudi Arabia, akaba atarahamagawe kuri uno mukino baza kuba bakina. Ibintu byateje impaka cyane mu gihugu cya Senegal, byaranditswe cyane bibaza cyaba cyatumye atabasha guhamagarwa ko umwe wakinnyi bamaze igihe kinini cyane bafashe ikipe ndetse bahorana nayo. Umukino wahuzaga rero Ubwongereza na Senegal ukaba urangiye. Twabibutsa ko ariyo kipe ya mbere muri Afurika ibashe gutsinda England mu mikino 22. England rero abashe gutsinda imikino yose, indi yarayinganyije. Ni ubwa mbere ikipe yo muri Afurika itsinze ikipe y'igihugu y'Ubwongereza hano, bakaba barayitsinde mu Bwongereza. Senegal ikaba ari ikipe nziza, kandi ikipe yitwaye neza. Abakinnyi ba England baragerageza gukomera abashyitsi, ariko nyine ikigaragara nuko Senegal ikoze amateka nanone nk'uko yize kwakora mu mwaka wa 2002 mu gikombe cy'isi ubwo yatsindaga ikipe y'igihugu y'Ubufaransa, ikaba ibaye ikipe ya mbere muri Afurika itsinze ikipe y'igihugu y'Ubwongereza inayitsindiye mu Bwongereza. Nubwo ari umukino wa gishuti, ntibikuraho ko iyo kipe ya mbere ku mugabane wa Afurika ibashe gutsinda ikipe y'Ubwongereza. Abakinnyi b'Ubwongereza barimo baragerageza kugenda bakomera amashyi abafana babo nubwo batsinzwe. Mbibutsa ko Senegal yo kipe ya mbere ku mugabane wa Afurika ibashe gutsinda Ubwongereza, ikaba inayitsindiye ku kibuga cya Nottingham Forest. Nuko byifashe abakinnyi b'ikipe ya Senegal nabo bajya imbere y'abafana babo bari muri ruhande bagerageza kubashimira kuko nabo bari bagerageje kuba ngaha. Mbibutsa ko rero kipe ya mbere ku mugabane wa Afurika ibashe gutsinda Ubwongereza, akaba ari mateka akozwe n'ikipe y'igihugu ya Senegal nk'uko yize kubikora mu mwaka wa 2002 itsinda ikipe y'igihugu y'Ubufaransa.
You're making a plan. That's the first step to turning your dreams into reality. But remember, a plan without action is just a wish. Write it down, break it into steps. Take the first move, no matter how small.